The iPhone 17 Pro Max, anticipated for release in September 2025, is expected to bring significant advancements in performance, design, and camera capabilities. It is rumored to feature the new A19 Pro chip, built on TSMC's third-generation 3nm process, offering enhanced processing speeds and improved energy efficiency. The device may also include 12 GB of RAM, a notable increase from previous models, to support advanced multitasking and AI applications. In terms of design, the dynamic island is expected to be smaller, thanks to the integration of a MetaLens Face ID system, resulting in a more compact front display area. The camera system is set to receive substantial upgrades, with a 48MP telephoto lens replacing the previous 12MP version, and a 24MP front-facing camera across all iPhone 17 models, enhancing selfie and video call quality. Additionally, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may introduce Wi-Fi 7 support, providing faster and more stable wireless connectivity. These enhancements position the iPhone 17 Pro Max as a powerful and feature-rich device, catering to users seeking top-tier performance and cutting-edge technology.